Hi, my Linda Butterworth here with Alliteration Adventure 1828. Today's tongue twister has to do with birds and building nests. What color branch do you think they might be building that on? That's right, a brown one. Most likely, because most trees' bark is brown. So, we're going to do it slowly first, and then we'll speed it up. You ready? Here we go. Bluebirds begin by building brown branch-based nests. That one might be interesting to say. You ready? Let's do it 3 times quickly. Here we go. Bluebirds begin by building brown branch-based nests. Bluebirds begin by building brown branch-based nests. Bluebirds begin by building brown branch-based nests. Ooh, that last part of it was a little difficult. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you again soon. Bye for now.